In this video, I'll show you how to easily hide and unhide apps on any iPhone running iOS 18. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. Let's say you want to hide an app from your home screen. First, long press on the app icon, then select Remove App. From the options that appear, tap on Remove from Home Screen. Once you do this, the app icon will be successfully removed from your home screen, but the app is still installed on your iPhone. To bring it back, you can use the search feature. Simply swipe down from the top of the screen to access the search bar and type in the app's name. Once you find the app, long press the app icon and drag it to your desired location on the home screen. After that, just tap down to apply the changes. And that's how you can easily hide and unhide any app on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.